Okay, so I made a rock, paper, scissors AI. Well, not really AI, it's just a CPU. Basically, you just press S for scissors, rock is R, and P for paper, and you play against it. It records your win rate and all that. So let's go scissors. And generally, it has about a 50% win rate ish. Let's see if I can get up to that. Never mind, I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna reset it and show you the code. Yeah, also I made it so that it changes color. That's fun in my opinion. Okay, so we got this CPU. Obviously, we created a sprite. Oh, this is using the code our game lab. We got the our hand, CPU's hand. So this is the list that updates the CPU. I named it AI for short. You'll see later. This is the list that the AI uses to choose rock, paper, scissors. This is the player ID of what it's choosing. The computer ID. It choose a variable to make it simpler to do all of it. I forgot to make it into a function for later use. I don't care. The score is used to keep score. Sum of the scores, the wins, the draws, losses. Okay, this is a password I used, and this activates the AI so that it doesn't run forever. So wait, let me quickly show you the password. It's literally just whenever I press it in, it plays it against another computer engine that randomizes all of its moves. So this is how I got the about 5% win rate. Okay, so yeah, and again that activates the AI. That's for backgrounds. That's the rounding module. It's a rounding function. Well, it's not even a function, it's just a rounding module. It's for rounding. Okay, this entire area of code is literally just the player, and it pushes this. So that's how the AI updates. Every time you play rock, the AI takes it in and inputs that result inside here. Well, the opposite of it. So paper. So it's more likely to choose paper every time you choose rock. So if you were to choose rock consecutively 5 times in a row, the AI would eventually learn to use paper more. I'm going to be referring to it as an AI for the time being. That triggers the AI. This is long and complicated. I won't go into that entirely. Basically, what it says is, as long as the score consecutively is less than 5, so or 4, I might have changed it. Yeah, it's 4. So if the last 5 rounds were won by the player, then skip all of this and just choose a random number. Basically, this prevents the player from being able to redo. So let's say first I was to pick scissors. Well, I lost that, so I can redo that. Pick paper this time and win. And I can keep doing that, repeatedly win forever. So this actually prevents that. Eventually, the AI just stops the code and chooses something random that the player can't really predict, preventing a 100% win streak, unless you're like stupid lucky. Next here we have okay. So since it's 2, 3, 4. I'll explain later why. So basically, it says if the player goes scissors, rock, paper, or anything. So the last 3 things that the player chose are different. Then choose the last. The first different thing that they chose. So imagine they choose scissors, then rock, then paper. Then the AI automatically picks rock because that picks scissors, as it's guessing that the player's going in a pattern. It's basically pattern detection. Same here, same here. It's all pattern detection. And again, this is the break. Well, not sorry. This is the break. Then this sets the animation to whatever we want, and this is the scoring system. And then it deactivates itself so it doesn't continuously fire. That's the admin control. It was for the random generation. That's the text. Yep.